Irate residents of Andro in Imphal East today protested against the Manipur Tourism Department's move to acquire Santay Natural Park at Andro and turn it into a public-private partnership (PPP) model. MPCC member Naurem Kobit repaired potholes along a 3-kilometer-long road of Kangra Hobi Local in Kaching district. Secretary of Kangra Hobi Local Development Committee, Pukrambam Ranjan, said that the road was dotted with potholes, disrupting movement of people during rainy season. As part of Seva Sapta commemorating the 70th birthday of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, former BJP Vice President Thokchom Jadumani hoisted BJP flags at the residences of party workers of Khangabo constituency today. Democratic presidential candidate Joe Biden has pledged to rejoin the historic Paris Agreement on climate change if elected to power in the November elections and set new standards towards reducing carbon emissions. According to a media report, Joe Biden said he will put the US on a path to achieve a carbon pollution-free electricity sector by 2035 that no future president can come along and turn back. In the past 24 hours, the total COVID-19 cases in India has reached 49,30,236. Active cases now stand at 9,90,061, while the total number of discharged is 38,59,339, and the deaths due to the virus have risen to 80,776. As per a media report, India has recorded the highest fatalities in the world over the past fortnight. Troops of 20 Assam Rifles arrested a drug trafficker and seized 80 packets of brown sugar from his possession at Kudengkabi checkpost along Imphal Moray Road yesterday. Pankhan Mang Guite, aged 36 years, son of late Jinkhan Ho Guite of Kamhang village under Churachampur district, was arrested along with the 1.07 kilograms of brown sugar, a report said today. India secured its place as a member of the United Nations Commission on Status of Women, a body of the Economic and Social Council (ECOSOC), said T.S. Tirumurti, a permanent representative of India to the United Nations. According to a media report, India wins seat in prestigious ECOSOC body. India, Afghanistan and China contested for the elections to reserve a seat in the Commission on Status of Women. Even as India and Afghanistan won the ballot among the 54 members, China could not cross the halfway mark. Coronavirus vaccines being developed in China may be ready for use by the general public as early as November, an official with the Chinese Center for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) said. As per media reports, China has 4 COVID-19 vaccines in the final stage of clinical trials. At least 3 of those have already been offered to essential workers under an emergency use program launched in July. Phase 3 clinical trials were proceeding smoothly and the vaccines could be ready for the general public in November or December, CDC Chief Biosafety Expert Guzhen Wu said yesterday.